If you're someone who don't like to see those tiny kinks in the quilling coils, then this video is for you. Hi Quillers, this is Agnes from agnespaperandcrafts. So these tiny kinks are a result of using a regular slotted tool. If the tool has wide slots, then the kinks will be even more prominent. Different brand tools may have different width of slots, so this is even possible. To make a coil without kinks, the best way is to use a needle tool. A needle tool has literally a needle which we can use to quill. If you don't have a needle tool, you can instead use a safety pin, a bell pin, a toothpick or anything similar. While using a needle tool, hold the paper strip onto the tool and start rolling the paper. The other hand, which holds the needle tool, should be kept in static position. After a while, I always take out the coil and roll it by hand, which is so much easier than using a needle tool. So here it goes. You can see that there is only a small circle like center and not the kink. While making tight coils, if you prefer to make something without showing up even a hole apart from the kinks, then you could probably use your fingers. Yes, your fingers. Take a little water in your fingertips and damp the quilling paper strip with it. Let it dry a bit and now start to roll the paper. The water will loosen the fibers of the paper and make it pliable more easily. This way you can get a tight coil without a hole in the center. I use these coils especially to make face for quilling dolls, which would make it even more aesthetically pleasing. But you could use it whichever project you wish it to go for. There is yet another way to simply turn the kink into a hole. Using your tweezer, you can straighten your kink, but the hole will be wider anyway. For me personally, the coils with kink don't bother much. The kink looks like a filling in the hole, so it is your personal preference to choose which look you prefer.